Good morning, students. Today, in this video, we will continue the chapter 2, Early Human. Earlier, we have discussed in the previous video, I had explained about the initial stages of development, how human being walk, look like ape, and gradually they learn to stand on their feet with a straight posture. Also, in the Paleolithic age, we have come to know about the meaning of Paleolithic, that means old age. And after that, we had discussed Paleolithic age, that means the Stone Age. We can also say Stone Age, it is divided into Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic. Now, in this video, we will start it from here. Major Paleolithic sites. Sites are those places where archaeologists discover tools, implements, and other artifacts of historical importance. These artifacts enable us to understand different aspects of life our ancient predecessor had led. So these are the some Paleolithic sites that archaeologists have found. Archaeologists is the people who who study of the material remains of the past like monument, pottery, ornaments, whatever, and we had discussed in the first chapter. So archaeologist is the person who discovered tools, implement, and other artifact. Artifact means man-made object like pottery, ornament, jewelry, cave painting, whatever. So these artifacts that had been found by archaeologists that we had come to know about major Paleolithic sites. Second paragraph, historical sites have been found on the earth's surface, under the earth, even underwater on some occasion. A number of which sites associated with the Paleolithic age have been discovered across the Indian subcontinent. Most of these sites are located near large water bodies such as river, lakes, and springs. So, as we can say, historical site, various historical sites have been found in our country that indicates us about, tells us about the how human beings lived many years ago. Like where have some historical sites have been found on the Earth's surface, or even under the earth or under the water. Such sites, such sites of the Paleolithic age have been discovered across the Indian subcontinent, and most of these sites are located near water bodies such as river, lakes, and springs. Another feature of this site is that they are located in area where stones are available in plenty. So these sites are basically located in that area, uh, located in area where stones they got easily in plenty amount. They got various stone. The place that where stones are available, most of the site had been found. The reason is that Paleolithic people used stone to make different types of tool for hunting and food gathering. So, in the people of early Paleolithic age, they 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 were living as a nomadic life. They were food gatherers and hunters. The nomadic people means tribal people, the people who moved from uh, one place to another in search of food and shelter. So these people use stone to make different types of tools for hunting and food gathering. Last paragraph, places where stone tools have been found are known as factory sites. That the places where stone tools, these tools like that these people have had made using this stone and made various weapons like hammers, axe blade, choppers, whatever. So these tools have been found the place where it is known as factory sites. As Paleolithic people led a nomadic life, it can be presumed that they might not have stayed there for long. As I already explained, that these nomadic people, okay, they lived their life as a tribal people. They lived from one place to another place in search of food or shelter. However, there are some sites where they might have lived for a longer period. This is evident from the types of artifacts found there, which include not only stone tools but also the object and structure they use for other purpose. Such sites are called habitation cum factory sites. Okay, factory site, that means the site where the places where stone tools have been found, it is called as factory site. Most of these sites associated with the Paleolithic people are rock shelter and cave. People might have chosen this place for the purpose of habitation because they could protect from heat, rain, and wind. As they had not invented uh, uh, to how to mm, how to remain safe in during winter season. That's why they could protect from heat, cold, rain, and wind. Such places also protected them from wild place animals. Okay, they had protected themselves from wild animals. That's why uh, these people lived in rock shelter and caves. Most of these rock shelters and caves have been found near the Vindhya and the Deccan Plateau region lying close to the Narmada Valley. And also some Paleolithic sites in India include Mirzapur, Bhimbetka, Pune, Chikri Nevasa, Bori, located in Maharashtra, and Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, and Husangi, Karnataka. So these places are found in our country. Some Paleolithic sites that have been found in our country, that are some of the name had given in the book, that is Mirzapur located in Uttar Pradesh, Bhimbetka located in Madhya Pradesh, Pune, Chikri Nevasa, and Bori in Maharashtra, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, and Husangi in Karnataka. At case study, Husangi located in Karnataka, it is a part of South India. Husangi in Karnataka is situated in Surappam Dwab, the land between the river Krishna and its tributary Bhima. Tributary means Sahayak. A number of Paleolithic sites have been discovered here. Archaeologists have found a number of tools used by Paleolithic people. So archaeologists, they have found a large number of tools, stone tools used by Paleolithic people. Where in Husangi, this site is located in Karnataka. The region has several springs which possibly supplied water. During the dry season, people camped near water sources and hunted large animals that came for a drink. So, how these Paleolithic people hunted the large animal in the dry season? They camped near the water sources, and when these animal had come near to the river for drink water, they hunted that animal. They spread out over the region during the wet season and depended more on edible plant and small prey. The artifacts found at Husangi are mostly tool made of limestone. Limestone, it is a type of rock. Okay, it is a name of rock. So I think we have done here. Next video we will start Mesolithic. Thank you. Have a nice day.